Hi everyone, I hope you are doing really well. During this week, you have been working so hard on creating very interesting quizzes and activities with JClose, JQuiz, JCross, JMatch, and JMix. And now it's time to put all these together and mash them up in order to see how we can provide our students with a package of goal-oriented activities or quizzes or tests. We should click on the masher. Okay, as you see on this page, we've got, as usual, some tabs. Now we have to do only with add files or delete files. And finally, we come to the bottom of the page, build unit, to make a package or unit of activities. First of all, I click on add files and go to the place that I have saved all my previous activities. Okay, this is the place. Here it says no item matches your search, so I come here and add web pages, quandary, 2 files or 3 files. I add web pages. Okay, now they appear here because they have been saved on my browser. Now I want to select the ones that I want to add in the package. Let's begin from the top. Couch surfing, eating techniques, parts of speech. I had 2 types of unscrambled sentences, a drag and drop and a simple format. Let's choose drag and drop format. And also I had vocabulary game. Again, for word roots, I have a drag and drop and a drop down menu format. Let's again choose drag and drop format. Then click open. Okay to all. Now I have all these files here. Maybe I want to delete something or add something else, but finally I just click on build unit and wait to see it on my browser. Yes, that's here on my browser. Teaching techniques, parts of speech, the tests that I have selected. The order has changed, but they are all here. By clicking on any of them, I can go to that test and do it. Okay, now let's see how we can share it on a platform. As you know, I've been working on Moodle platform and we have hot potatoes as one of the activities on Moodle. So let's go to the activities, choose hot potatoes, and add it to the page. Then we should add the name for a package. We may call it exercise, we may call it weekly quiz, or any other thing. For example, weekly quiz, which is supposed to be a package including all the quizzes that you realized we added to the Moodle one by one as a single quiz, but now it's a package of quizzes. Then I should add file. Okay, as you see here, we have already uploaded these packages one by one, these quizzes one by one. Now our quiz is called index. The mashed package is called index, the unit. I upload it and see what happens. Okay, here it is uploaded. Yes, here we've got it as the activity. Let's move it upward. Okay, the students will click on it and we'll see what you realized here. You saw it first on the Google Chrome on my browser. Now it is opened in this way on the Moodle. Then by clicking on any of them, as you realized here, they can enter the quizzes. And then after that, they can click continue to go to the next section. Okay, let's go back to the main page. Yes, here, oops. Here you're supposed to mash up all the activities that you have created so far and add them to this forum. I'm waiting for seeing your excellent mashed up unit activities. Have a nice time. Goodbye.